Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking at this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Indu. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, lifestyle, beauty and loads of product reviews. So stay tuned to my channel to know more about me. Today I'm carrying a very simple look. All I've done is just applied my concealer. Then I've done a double wing liner. I don't know whether you can see the double wing is only towards this end. A slide liner with a double wing extension. On my lips I'm wearing a very beautiful lipstick. This is from Wet n Wild. This is the shade. It is called, this is the shade, yeah, this is what the shade looks like, and it is called 905D Smoking Hot Pink. So I really like this. It's a kind of everyday color. You can see it looks very nice on my skin tone also, and plus I have lined my lips by using this Makeup Academy Intense Color Liner. This in the shade Diva. I so freaking love this lip liner. Well, before moving to today's video, I just wanted to say those who are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon next to it so you guys are notified every time I upload a new videos. I'm planning on something special coming up in the month of October, so let's see how it works out. I do have a lot of plans for Navratri and I am going to put up some lovely videos. I hope it just works out. I'm just editing and trying to see, you know whether it's going to work or not, so stay tuned. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about Good Vibes haul and the reviews of certain products that I've used from Good Vibes. Yes guys, a few months back I did show you my purple haul, plus a lot of you had asked me on my Instagram stories whether I have tried the products from Good Vibes, what are my reviews, how was my experience. So I would just like to say that yes, I did try Good Vibes brand for the past 4 to 5 months. I did try their products. I've tried only their skincare products. Let me just clear it that only skincare products from Good Vibes. Good Vibes is a brand which is a made in India brand. They're free from parabens, sulfates and their mineral oils. They're also cruelty free brand. Their products are quite affordable. These are easily available on purple.com and you can also find it on their official website of goodvibes.com. And these products on purple.com, they're available at great offers. They're one of those affordable products and they have a variety or range of products, you can say. They have everything from a moisturizer, a gel, a scrub, a face wash, to cleansing, to facial oils, to shampoos, to conditioners, to serums, you name it, and they have different ranges. They have a very affordable range, plus they have a range which is a little bit of top notch, a luxury kind of range, which is a tad bit expensive. So quickly let's see what all I have purchased and what are my experiences of using these products. So the first product that I have from Good Vibes is this one. This is the Good Vibes Saffron Nourishing Day Cream. This is what it looks like. It comes in this kind of packaging. All their products do come in this patent kind of packaging with a plastic tub and a golden lid attached to it. There's 100 grams of product and this retails for 325 rupees officially, but I think I got it around for 200 and some 50 rupees or something, and this is good quantity product for the price. Now let me just open and show you how it is. Guys, do not mind the packaging because the only thing that I was disturbed was the packaging. You know, this thing actually broke. I don't know whether you can see it. Can you see it closely? This entire rim has just broken off. That was the only bad experience that I have, and because of that this has a tendency of going inside. Now let me show you the consistency of the product. This is how the product looks like, and this is quite thick, and once you massage it, it just gets quickly absorbed into your skin. This has a very mild fragrance of saffron. It feels really good. Only thing that I didn't like was this packaging, because that plastic actually broke when I received this product. When you're talking about this is basically a day cream, and you get 100 grams of quantity in this for 325 rupees. This product has a shelf life of 3 years. This is a very nice nourishing day cream. I really liked it from the texture point of view. It was, for my dry skin type, it was very nice. It was nourishing from my skin. I really like to use it on during the daytime, but in summers, if you have to say, the cream is a little bit thick for dry skin type. I would suggest anybody from dry to normal skin type to use it. Oily skin type, please stay away from it. It's way too nourishing for your skin, and I don't think this will be suitable for in winters. I will definitely try it out towards the winter season and then update you with what I feel about it. It does contain perfume, but for 100 grams of quantity and the price, I just feel it's quite decent, and it's a decent nourishing day cream. That's all I can say. It doesn't have SPF, so you need to top up with an SPF, that's for sure. The next product that I have is this one. This is the Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Face Mask. This is how the product looks like. It comes again in the same kind of plastic tub packaging, and you have all the products and the ingredients in it. In this you get 50 grams of product, and it's priced at 225 rupees. You can easily get it around for 150 180 rupees. I did get it at that price. Again, it has the same packaging and same plastic tub, and there's baki nothing else in my packaging have broken. And the best part is they do have this separator or the lid to protect the product from any leakage, and this is how the actual product looks like. There is a little bit of charcoaly fragrance to it, but I love how I feel when I use this. I've been using it for the past couple of months. I think I finished 3 to 4 uses, and I really like how this feels on the face. First time I've used any charcoal product in my skincare, so it did give me a tingling sensation for the very first time, but after that, oh my god, it's just so beautiful on the skin. Once I just apply it with a light brush, it just applies onto my skin. It feels soft, nice, nourished, and after 10 minutes or something, when I try to remove it, it helps me to get rid of all the blackheads and whiteheads I do have around this area. It removes off all the dirts, impurities, and it cleanses off the face very well. I really like the product from that point of view. I'll tell you what, it's also got ingredients like glycerine, kaolin, bentonite clay, and these are some of the activated charcoal is a little bit down the line. It's not this. It's also got licorice extract and everything, so it feels good. It feels very nice on the face. Dry skin people, sensitive, I think any skin type people can use it because it feels very nice. Only thing I would recommend is like dry skin type people have to go off with a moisturizer. You have to go after using this mask, please do use a moisturizer because your skin may tend to feel a little bit dry. That's my only thing. Otherwise, if you ask me, I thoroughly love this product. It has worked like a gem for me. It's not one of the best, but it is a good product. I would really recommend it. I would ask you to definitely give this a try. If you are interested to try a charcoal mask, this is something to try out at an affordable price. Next product that I want to share with you are some of their toners. I do have a lot of their toners. I really love Good Vibes brand for their toners, especially in summers. I just like to spritz that toner all over my face. It just relaxes and calms my skin down, so I like to use a lot of their toners. Currently I have 2 to 3 toners in my routine which I use. The first one being the Pomegranate Glow Toner. Pomegranate is very good for mature skin, for aging skin. I am 30 plus and I like to incorporate some anti-aging, some skin care, some more of some antioxidant rich ingredients that help to prevent the aging or delay the process of aging. So one such ingredient is pomegranate, which I like to include in my skincare, and this Pomegranate Glow Toner is so beautiful. Firstly, I like the packaging. It comes in this kind of bottle packaging with a pump dispenser. Very beautiful, very easy to spray, and in this you get 120 ml for just 175 rupees. I really like the quantity and the quality of the product. It has a very nice fragrance, nothing too strong, nothing too light. Of course there are perfumes in all of these products, that is one thing to remember, but I really like how this feels on this skin, especially for people with dry skin, tight skin and aging skin. I would definitely recommend this Pomegranate Toner for you. Next product that I have is the Green Tea Toner. This is actually, I use it for my husband. Green tea, because he's somebody who's having oily skin type, and green tea is very good for oily skin type people. It helps you to control the sebum production on your skin, so this is again very nice. This is again 120 ml and this is also for 175 rupees. Again you get a discount for 100 150, around that price you'll get it up to 50% discount also you get sometimes. And again he enjoys it because this is very good for, I think, oily skin tone people, and on my dry skin it was a tad bit drying. So next is one of my utmost favorites from their toners. This is their rose hip toner. Oh god, I just love this toner. It's been in my skincare routine for quite some time. I finished the first one, which is a big, I think 200 ml bottle. Then I just got this smaller bottle because I am using some other toners from other natural brands also, and I wanted to give them also a try. I do love this toner because it's enriched with rosehip and rosehip oil and rosehip related ingredients, and it just nourishes your skin very very well. I highly recommend it to all skin types people, but dry skin types, this is something that you need to grab from the rosehip range. It's an amazing toner. And when we're talking about this rosehip skin clarifying toner, I also need to add one most favorite ingredient of, and that's got to be the rosehip radiant glow face serum. Oh, where to start? You know, this is by far the best product that I have seen. I don't know why, but this is an amazing ingredient. It was totally a game changer. I had zero expectations, but I bought it with the intention to see, you know, okay, so many people are raving about it, let me also find how does this actually work or not. And that is when I decided to purchase it, and this is how the product looks like. This is a 10 ml bottle. It retains for 215 rupees, and I really like it. This is my second bottle. I finished off with the first one. Can you just see that? Such a beautiful, sometimes I just take 2 to 3 drops of it and just apply it all over my face, nicely just massage it and then let it be. That is enough even for my dry skin. You know, it's got such nourishing properties. I really like it because I'll tell you why. Its ingredients is like rosehip oil, sesame oil, almond oil, vitamin E, jojoba oil, and these are some of the ingredients, you know, and they are beautiful. And I really like this kind of pump dispenser, you know, because you just need those 2 to 3 drops all over your face, and you just need to beautifully massage it. It just gets quickly absorbed into your skin. And the next day morning, this leaves my skin hydrated, nourished and glowing. I really like how this feels on my skin. It didn't break me out, it didn't give me any side effects. I was so thankful and also so blessed to have found this, because I was like, okay, this is like, people are just saying, raving about it like that only, there is nothing more to it, because it's such an affordable product. Maybe it may not work, but it did work. Surprisingly, it did work, and it worked really well. I thoroughly enjoyed using it, and I would say do give this a try, guys. This 10 ml bottle for 215 rupees. I think you'll get it at further discount also, but do give this a try, because if this works, you can go for a bigger quantity, and it's one of the best products I think I can say, because I really enjoyed using it. Being a person from a dry skin type family, I usually am not that fond of oils because they do not work on my skin, you know, sometimes. And this was one glow face serum. I mean, I really felt on my skin and really how it worked. It was one of the best things that I have bought from Good Vibes, and it's highly recommended. Just for me, if you ask me what is that one product you need to buy from Good Vibes, it should have been this, because it's one of the best ingredients that I've discovered. There's products that I've discovered and really like, but it does have fragrance. Let me just tell you, I think it has fragrance. It has that artificial rose, you know, रास्ते में मिलते हैं जो गुलाब है, वैसे उसका fragrance है. But that's the only thing. Last but not the least, I do have their Good Vibes watermelon gel. I use this. I got 3 tubes of this. I do use it usually when I do my facial razor. I apply facial razor for my eyebrows or my upper lips. If I tend to use facial razor, after that I do like to use this for soothing. If you ask me, does it make any difference? No, guys, no major difference. Just I had received sample size along with this, so it was just an okay product. So that's all that I have for my Good Vibes haul and the products that I purchased. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. It will mean a world to me. Please do not forget to subscribe, guys. It will mean the world to me. Thank you for following me, and thanks a lot. Till next time, see you. Bye.